Tornado warning.
That's why more and more people rely on animals.
For Williamson and Burnet till 6:30.
Humanly possible, because you're only human.
Ping pong ball size hail.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for Northwestern Williamson County, Northeastern Burnet County, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Briggs, or 11 miles northeast of Bertram, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and ping pong ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bertram, Joppa. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.